We back at it again. What, third car meet?
Yeah,
Cars and Coffee.
Yeah.
We back at it.
This is the first time. This is the same spot. Yeah.
Yep. Same spot as the first
video. Yeah.
Well, you know, I had to take out this key.
Hey.
This key came out today. And yeah, enjoy, team. This car right here, I ain't gonna show the license plate, but it's a Nissan Altima. It's one of my homeboys. I'm like finessing.
You're gonna put it on my Nissan?
Hell yeah, I'll put it on his Nissan. I'm about to take his wheel.
Here. So beautiful.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah, carbon fiber.
That's by them though, no?
Yeah.
That's
Their brand right there. So nice. Look at that for lighting. They got another one right here. Like fully carbon fiber.
But you don't drive it.
Really. It's like a full track car, bro. Honestly, the interior with it.
Wow.
How fast it go?
190.
190?
Yeah.
Damn.
How many horsepower?
650.
650 horsepower?
650 V10.
V10? Oh, you don't got the V12?
No. They don't race the V12.
Oh.
10s. Figure it out as we go. Know which you're going.
Why not?
How much does a wheel cost? Like a tire?
I just drive it.
Yeah, you just drive it?
No.
Oh, I was about to say. Say, yo.
I just drove it. The shop's down the street.
Down the street.
I just drove it. It's cool. I've been very,
Damn.
I did racing since my 10th year.
So nice. Yeah.
I'll see you all.
Alright, see ya. Take care.
Thanks for having a relationship.
Yeah. With they got the
pit stop shit.
Yeah, the pit stop, yeah.
Fast as hell.
Yeah.
All I gotta say is M4 who?
What do you mean M4?
M4 who?
How many horsepower?
M4 who?
How many horsepower we pushing?
I don't know, it looked like 6.
6?
M4 who? M5 who?
Oh, look at this, bro. You got like a whole car in the wall. What up, Liddy? What up, Liddy? And they also got this, bro. It's a Firebird. That's the cleanest Firebird I ever seen. Look. Damn.
This one's better, buddy. This one's better.
This is the same Porsche we were talking about with Johnny and everything. I wish Johnny was here though, but he's leaving at work. Look at that Porsche, bro. Spider Carrera GT. The same one that how is it? The Fast and Furious dude died. Bro, it's so clean, bro. My God. Which one would you prefer, the Ferrari or the Porsche? Look at the Ferrari, bro. I'm gonna see if I can see like a picture. I can get the interior on this one. My God. Look at it. Sheesh. Look at this one. A rally car. My God. So beautiful. I thought it was a Beamer at first, but nah. Something else. Kinda look like a Beamer though. Martini Racing. Oh my God. Look at the engine, bro. Look at the turbo, bro. Right there, it's crazy. This one is the same one, but in blue. Look. I like the wheels. The wheels are futuristic. Futuristic. Look. Look at the Porsche right there. My God. Bro, I want to see. Look how much, how many speakers he got. It's okay if I look down here. Ew. Look at this, bro. Sheesh. How much was for the speakers and all?
I probably got 80 grand the whole truck.
80 grand? Damn, that's crazy. Look at this, bro. Look at the speakers. How much was the paint job?
30.
30?
It was done 21 years ago though.
21. But it still looks new though.
Yeah.
All the way in the back behind the building.
20. 20. Damn. Look like a Hot Wheel. Look at the S14. Damn. And the RT. Can we hear it? Damn, he's stealing my girl. Look at her. She's so happy and everything.
You're like, look, he's gonna steal my.
Yeah, you're gonna steal my girl. Damn, ladies, that's it for me.
Watch this.
Alright.
See that M6 right there?
Yeah.
Like I said,
You pointed it the
throughout,
wrong way.
like I said throughout the whole video, M4, M5 hoop.
Nah, 663 don't compete with an M6. Look at this one. Dream Peacock got one of these. I always wanted to see one like in real life because I couldn't see it. Bro, the taillights are so nice, bro. They say it's the ugliest Macan, but I think it's beautiful. Look, ladies, this car's for sale. Someone in Indiana won it. It's right there. For sale, 63K.
Hell no.
He don't got no phone number. Where's the Batmobile last time? The first video I made, it was right there.
Pretty dark. I'm thinking probably
Look, they got another McLaren next to
all
it.
the way around. But I'm debating on whether I do the windshield. So probably what's going to happen. Call me when we get the rest of them done. They'd be like, hey, come look at
So
this.
nice. I like how they got like the carbon fiber,
Because
like on the side, like right
I
there.
like the vision, and the other side is I
Yeah.
like being able to see through and see the carbon A-pillars. A-pillars and carbon on both sides.
Depends on what boost you run.
Oh, what was? Did they ever compete or it's just?
1,000+ easily.
1,000 plus? Damn.
Why Jason still live?
How does it feel to be one of those? Like driving? How does it feel to be one of those? Like driving it?
Well, the car is 1979 McLaren M24B. So, turbo lag, it's got to be precise.
Yeah.
That makes sense. It's got lag and it kicks in at a certain time. So a lot of the drivers in the air had a little trick, or they had their little way of precisely doing it, timing it right.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a death trap, man. Like, you gotta know what you're doing.
But that steering wheel is so small. So small. It's like tough, right?
Damn.
It's like if you had no power
1,000
steering,
plus.
but probably 2 times worse.
Oh, they got more inside. They got a bunch.
But that's just a shell. Oh no.
Look at this Audi, y'all. The color is so nice.
Take it off, buddy.
Ooh, manual? My God. So beautiful. Everyone leaving already. Porsche? Hey, Porsche?
The midnight green.
Is it? I don't know, but it looks clean. Everyone leaving already. There's like barely any cars now. It was not as packed as the first video I made, but it was alright. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, look at the Spider, bro. It's clean, bro. I think this is the one that Paul Walker died. No, the other one. Like, my God, there's two. The black one and the white one. God, they were good, like cool cars. Yeah, press the gas. One more time, one more time.
Tumbling on the perks, now I'm in a trance. I was up in hell, devil trying to dance. He don't